Good morning, student. Last time I have explained about the cube of a number. Today I will discuss more about the cube root of a number. How can we find the cube root of a number and what are the cubes of a given number, cube root of a given numbers. So one by one we will discuss now. I already sent some solution in the messages, but today I will discuss more detail on the cube root, just to explain in this method. So you can say that the cube root of a number x, the cube root of a x of a number x, you can say the cube root of a number x is that number whose cube is x. Suppose that you have given the number x and we apply the cube of x will come also a x, and it is represented by, it is represent by cube root of x. Okay, suppose that you have given the find the cube root of 8 example in example you can see there's under root 8 you have given, and you have to find out if here number is 3, it means cube root. If here is number is written in fourth, it means fourth root. If there is no number, it means square root. If there is 2 also, that is then also if there is no any number, you can say that square root of 8, or if we write here 2, it means also a square root. If there is no number, then also a square root. But if written 3, it means cube root of it. Cube root means making a pair of 3. Okay, if there is written 2, it means making a pair of 2 numbers. Okay, same number, 2 same number. And if we written here 3, it means 3 same number. Why? Suppose that we have given the 8 and we have to find the cube root. It means first you do the prime factorization of 8. So what the prime factorization of 8? You can see that 8 by prime factorization, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2. What the prime factorization? You can see that how many times 2? 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. And according to this 3, yeah, there is written 3, it means cube root of this. It means same, that is the pair of 3 numbers, 3 same numbers, that is the pair of 3. So what will come? 2. What the pair of this 3 number? 2, that is the pair of 2, that will come out 2. Okay, or another method you can say that, another way you can write here in this way also, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, it means cube root of 2 raised to the power 3. Okay, and that will come 3 1 by 3, and this will cancel out. It means 2 raised to the power 1 2. That is also another method. Either you can do this one, either you can do, that is the preferable in your book, or you can do in the series another method. Both are same way, and just immediately just the method is different, some a little different. Okay, in this way we can find the cube of any number. So in this chapter, in this exercise, you have to find out only a cube root of a given number. So what the steps are there? Express the given number as the product of primes. What the first step, what can we do? Express the given number, there is 8, express the given number in the prime factors. First step. Second step, make group in triplets of the same prime. So make the triplets of the same prime, that is the same prime. These are 3 numbers, 3 3s. This is also 2, this is also 2, this is also 2. So make the triplet of the same prime. Same prime is what the same prime here? 2. That will come outside 2. Another example we can see, and after making 2, that will come outside. The product is the required cube root. Suppose that we have like in cube root of 20. Example I am giving you 216 like that. 216. Suppose that this example you given you. So first you do the first step. First you have to do prime factorization of the given number. So what can be prime factorization of 216? 2 1s are 2, 0, 8. Okay, so you can see that prime factorization of this one. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, then multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Okay, that is the first step. Second step, make groups in triplets of the same prime. Same prime means that is the same prime of, that is the 2, that is the same prime of 3. Triplets mean 3 numbers. That is the triplet of same prime 2, that is the triplet of same prime number of 3. So it means that is the 2 multiply, that is the 3. Okay, that is come outside, and the required product, the product is the required cube root, and the product of 2 3 is 6. So you can see that 6 is the cube root of 216. Okay, in this method we have to find out the all. Sometimes you have given the negative number. Suppose that you have given the question number I am giving you in the same. Suppose that you have written the minus. Again we have to do it in this way. Under root cube root of minus 216. Suppose that you have given this way. So how can we find? Minus come outside and you can written here in this way. Okay, or now you can do the prime factorization of this one. Minus cube root of 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, and prime factorization of this one 216 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3, and come this one in this way. So minus, this sign will come here, minus, and that is the triplet of 2, then multiply, that is the triplet of 3. So what will come? Minus 6. Okay, so cube root of minus 216, that will come in minus 6. Similarly, in the denominator form you can do product form. Question number 16 I am giving you. Question number 16, you have given 64 or 729. Suppose that you have given this number and you have to find out the cube root of this one. So first you do prime factorization of this one and prime factorization of this one. So can write prime factorization of 64. How can you find 64? 2, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2 and 1. How many times 2? 6 times. So you can write 6 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now next number 729. 729 we can write 729. So what the prime factorization of 729? You can write here 729. 3 2 is 6, 3 4 is 12 and 3 3 is 9, 3 8 is 24, 3 1 is 3, 3 27, 3 9 3, 9 and 3 1s are 3. How many times 3? 6 times. So 2 multiply 2 3. 3 multiply 3. How many times 3? 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now make the triplet according to the step. Second step, what will make the triplets of the same prime. Same prime triplets. Triplet means 3 pairs. That is the first pair of 3 numbers, second pair of 3 number, third pair of 3 number, and the fourth pair of 3 numbers. Same prime. That is the same prime. That is another same prime of triplets. Same prime of triplets this one, and same prime of triplets this one. So this will come 2. In place of this 2, there is a pair of 2. This is also a pair of 2, and that is also a pair of 3. That is also a pair of 3. And now multiply. How much number come? 2 to the 4 and 3 3 the 9. 2 to the 4, 3 3 the 9. What will come? 36. Okay. So cube root of this number is 36. In this way, we can find the cube root of any given numbers. Suppose that you are given the fractional form. Given this question number 18. Okay. So how can we find? First you taking out the negative sign outside you can see. And now first you do this one. Okay. Cube root of 5 1 12 and the cube root of negative sign also 3 4 3, and now you can take in out the negative sign outside. 5 1 2 upon cube root of 3 4 3. Okay. Now do the first step. We have to do prime fraction separately. Numerator is another way and the denominator is another way. So first find out the prime factorization of 5 1 2. 2 6 is 12 and thus 4. How many times 2? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, 9 times. So we can see that in place of this one, how many times? 9 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay. Similarly for the denominator also, cube root of 343. 343 you can do 3 4 3. 2 1 is 2, 2 7 is 14. Sorry, 2 7 से by 7, that is not divisible by 2. 3 now 5, that is not divisible by 5, so we can divide by 7. Okay, 7 49 7 and 1. How many times 7? 3 times. 1 2 and 3. Okay. So now next step, what the next step? Make the triplet of same primes. That is the triplet of first, that is the triplet second, and that is the triplet of second, third. In denominator there is also a triplet of 1. So this sign minus, first you write the minus, that is the triplet of 2, then this triplet of this one, after the 2, then the triplet of 2 in denominator. In denominator there is a triplet of 7. So you can write 2 to the 4 to the 8 minus 8 upon 7. Okay, that is the answer. So in this way you have to do fourth exercise. 4D just your for practice. 4D is the based on the all previous exercises. So you have to just do the 4D exercise. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through messages or like comments. So those students which are watching this video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Okay, next time I will come on the next chapter. Okay, be prepared and do the exercise 4D. If you have any doubt about 4D, then you can ask me. At the end of the exercise book, you have to remember these things. At the end of the exercise, you can do the page number 69, that is given things to remember. You have to remember all these things. Okay, these are useful for your practice and for the exercise. Okay.